Hey guys, in today's video we're going to take a look on the Metaverse Index. In my eyes, one of the most potential projects in the next year in the whole crypto space. Next to this, we're going to take a look on what is the Metaverse, what are the functions of the index, and at the end how we can buy this index. If you like this kind of video, if you want more videos like this, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then I would say, let's go. But guys, before we start, here's one more question, and that's what is the Metaverse? So the Metaverse is nothing else than a connection between the virtual world and the real world. So in the Metaverse, you have opportunities like to work in the digital world, to play with other people in this digital world, to communicate with these people, and so on. So all you can do now in your real world, you have the possibility to do this also in the virtual world. So yeah, experts say that the Metaverse is like the next evolution step of the internet, of the whole digitalization. So next to this, you have also opportunities there. So for example, you have opportunity to buy and sell real estate in the Metaverse. You can have your normal job in the Metaverse and so on. So the Metaverse is like a big new digital world where you can put your real life from now in this digital world. So one more tip here on this point is watch the movie Ready Player One. This describes the Metaverse in the movie, so check this film out. And now I would say we come to the Metaverse Index. So the Metaverse Index is an index which includes some crypto projects, as you can see down here, and some big companies. And one special thing here of the Metaverse Index is that the projects and the companies in this index, they are not all time the same because they are switching with relevance. So if a new crypto project, if a new Metaverse company is coming to the market and is so relevant for the Metaverse, then this company or this project will come in this index, and it's not all time the same here. So this is one nice feature. And as you can see here are some projects, for example, like Sandbox and Decentraland. I think the one or other guy of you already know this project. And if we take a look on CoinMarketCap, for example, on these projects, for example, Sandbox, it already have a market cap over $1 billion. And not only this, also projects like Decentraland, they have like $1.2 billion. So as you can see, these are very, very big Metaverse projects. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. So these are just the crypto projects. But that's not all, because there are some very big companies also in the Metaverse Index, as I told you. So if we take a look here, you can see that companies like Nvidia, Sony, Facebook, or now called Meta, and so on, are companies that are in this index, and very big tech companies that build this Metaverse Index. So all in all, there are some big crypto projects and some big companies in this index. And that means for me that there's a lot of money in this index, and a lot of money means, a lot of potential here. And if we take a look here also on the chart of the Metaverse Index, you will see that we are now here below $30, and to our all-time high here, we have more than a 10x. So in the chart, there's also a lot of potential. And if you ask me, I think that the all-time high is not enough, because we will see definitely higher points here of the Metaverse Index. So that's just one thing in my eyes. If we take a look on the numbers, for example, we have right now a market cap on the Metaverse of $60 billion, but experts say that to 2029, this market cap will go to over $1 trillion. So just look on the numbers, you can see what a big potential is here in the whole Metaverse space. And as I told you guys, the Metaverse Index represents all of this, because we have all these crypto projects, we have the biggest relevant companies of the index, and all in all, this builds the index here. But one question here is, why are crypto projects, why are the blockchains so important for the Metaverse? That's easy to say, because as I told you, the Metaverse is like a digital world, and in this digital world you can do anything what you can do in your normal world. But next to this, you are also able to buy and sell things in this Metaverse, for example real estate or clothes or whatever. And for this you need a currency, and there comes crypto, because in the Metaverse you have the possibility to pay with cryptocurrency, and that's why cryptocurrency is so important. And next to this, the blockchain is also one important point of the Metaverse, because the blockchain technology is such a safe technology which protects the Metaverse for hackers or whatever. And that's why crypto and blockchain at all is such a main part of the Metaverse. So guys, now we know what is the Metaverse. what is the Metaverse Index, and yeah, how the Metaverse Index works. But what we want to know now is how we can buy this Metaverse Index. And for this, we can go now here on indexcorp.com on buy, and then you can see you have the possibility here to swap your assets against the Metaverse Index tokens. For this, you have to connect the site with your MetaMask wallet. For the people who don't know MetaMask at all, check out my tutorial. I put it in the video description. There I explained MetaMask. And yeah, guys, so you have to connect your wallet. I did it now here already. And now you can see, for example, you want $100 worth of Ethereum and switch it against the Metaverse Index token. And here you can see that you will pay around $2 of fees, but we don't want to pay so much fees. And that's why we go here on UniSwap, because if you connect now your wallet on UniSwap, you can see that you have here so much less fees against the other side, and that's what we want to do. And on this point now, we have to do one more thing. We have to put USDT on our MetaMask wallet, and how this works I will show you. For this, guys, I'm going here on BITGET, because BITGET is in my eyes the best crypto and trading exchange in the whole world. If you want to check out BITGET as well, go with the link in the video description. There you can save 50% fees and you support this channel. So here on BITGET, I put in now my asset and my chain. Next to this, you have to go on your MetaMask wallet, click on your account top here, and then your wallet address will be copied. So you can put this now here on enter withdraw address. You put your MetaMask address, and last but not least, put in your amount and then just send it to your MetaMask wallet. So after around 1 minute now, you should have your USDT on your MetaMask account. And if it, for example, look like this, that MetaMask show no amount here, you can click on these 3 little points here, go on Etherscan, and there you can see that your tokens are on your wallet. So don't be scared here. You have your tokens here. What we do now is go back on UniSwap. I put the link also in the video description. And if I put in now here my assets, so USDT, $120 worth of USDT against the Metaverse Index, you can see that there is such a less fee against the other side. So here, for example, you see you have more fees. So that means I would go here definitely with UniSwap. So after this, you just have to click here on swap, confirm the swap, and the MetaMask will open here. It will ask you if you allow all this. You say, okay, I want to do this. And guys, that's how you buy these Metaverse Index token. So after 20 seconds now, I have my Metaverse Index tokens here in my MetaMask wallet. I already bought some before, so don't worry why it's called here $200 plus. If you don't see your Metaverse Index tokens here on your MetaMask wallet, for this you can go on CoinMarketCap again, on Metaverse Index, and then click here on this little MetaMask sign. If you click there, you can say, okay, I want them in my MetaMask wallet, say connect token, and then you will see that your token is here on your homepage. So guys, that's it about the Metaverse Index. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe this channel, and I would say goodbye.